Good morning. A wonderful person which I have brought today, and she is a music coach.
आई हैव सीन दैट जो बच्चे एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज में इन्वॉल्व रहते हैं, बीट इट स्पोर्ट्स, बीट म्यूजिक, बीट सम अदर एक्टिविटी फॉर दैट मैटर, उनको जो पसंद है उसमें वो टाइम बिताते हैं ना, तो उनको बाद में स्टडीज में भी इंटरेस्ट बढ़ता है. दे
पेरेंट्स को इस चीज में भी थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट लेना चाहिए.
कोच इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ टीचर प्लस एंटरप्रेन्योर.
Good morning. Today we are here with a very interesting episode of Let's Help Parents, and it is a wonderful person which I have brought today, and she is a music coach. And with that, I would like to all of you to join here and listen to this episode and podcast so that we all are, we are music lovers. So why not spend a good time with music? And with that, very beautiful lines of Plato is here, that rhythm and harmony find their way into the inward places of the soul. So let's place this music in our soul, and when it falls into our ears, it becomes a mesmerizing thing, and we are forced to forget all our sadness, all our negative aspects of our life, and enjoy our life to the fullest. So, with this, I would like to introduce a very special person, a very special guest today, and she is Neha, a guitar coach. And with this, we will have a wonderful talk with Neha. Before that, we will like to listen to a wonderful music, how she introduces herself.
So there's this very popular song going on these days. I've heard with many of my students, like they really like this song. So you tell me. जरा 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 तू भी क्या याद करेगा, जाहिर ने तैने छोड़ दिया. जरा 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 तू भी क्या याद करेगा, जाहिर ने तैने छोड़ दिया. Yeah.
Beautiful.
So the
Now you can
students.
introduce yourself to the audience.
Hello there, I am Neha and I am a guitar coach. I'm teaching guitar since 15 years, more than 15 years
Oh,
basically. And
nice.
I started learning about 20 years back something.
Good. Good.
So, and it has been a wonderful journey. Since guitar has been a part of my life, it has been a really wonderful journey.
Very nice. So, Neha, we are so blessed and we are happy to have you on our mm, platform today, because we had a first series also in which you were the special guest, and this time I've
Right.
started the second episode of it, and again I brought you because your this episode was loved by each one of them, and we got a maximum watch for it also, and it is there on the YouTube. And those who are really very fond of music, they can go to my YouTube link and they can see the first episode, and this is the second episode which I am bringing today with the guitar coach Miss Neha. So now with that, let's go into the world of music. So before that, uh, I would like to introduce myself, that I'm Anita Singh, a behavioral parenting coach, and I help parents with teenagers in the behavioral issues and in the relationship issues also. So with that, let's start and let's dive in the musical world. Neha, like the first question which is coming up to me, that how can we uh, impact the younger generation into music? Like these days, children are diverted to the studies. Education is taking a larger chunk of their time.
True,
In
true.
like from the 24 hours, 12 to 13 hours goes in the studies only, right? And
True.
next 8 to 10 hours in sleeping and 1 or 2 hours in food, what is left with the children then? So this is a very challenging question for all of us. और हमारे जो पेरेंट्स हैं, इंडियन पेरेंट्स, इनको रहता है कि बच्चे पढ़ लें, बच्चे पढ़ लें और अच्छे से पढ़ाई करें, और अगर जो उनकी हॉबीज हैं उसको साइड ट्रैक कर दें, और इससे क्या होता है, बच्चों का जो इंटरेस्ट है वो पढ़ाई में भी कम हो जाता है। तो आपका इस बारे में क्या कहना है कि आपके पास जितने भी बच्चे आते हैं तो उनका क्या पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है?
So first thing, studies are important. With all due
हम्म,
respect to that, extra
बिल्कुल
activities भी उतनी ही important होती है,
बिल्कुल।
right? So I have seen that जो बच्चे extra activities में involved रहते हैं, be it sports, be it music, be it some
करेक्ट।
other activity for that matter, उनको जो पसंद है उसमें वो टाइम बिताते हैं ना, तो उनको बाद में स्टडीज में भी इंटरेस्ट बढ़ता है. They are more enthusiastic about studying after that.
राइट
Because वो
राइट।
दिल से खुश होते हैं, then they can do whatever they want to do with a fresher mind. So
बिल्कुल।
that plays a very important role.
वेरी राइट। ये आपने बहुत बढ़िया चीज बताई कि जब बच्चा खुश रहता है, तो जब खुश रहेगा तो वो पढ़ाई भी अच्छे से करेगा, हर चीज में उसका मन लगेगा और वो इरिटेट नहीं होगा।
True.
सो जो म्यूजिक है वो बच्चों को, आपका मानना है कि म्यूजिक बच्चों को पीस ऑफ माइंड देता है और थोड़ी
Correct.
हैप्पीनेस भी। राइट
Happiness. And they can explore their creative side also through that. Many
राइट।
children ने देखा है ना कि वो इंस्ट्रूमेंट सीखते सीखते दे रियलाइज कि अच्छा मैं कंपोज भी कर सकता हूँ, ये तो मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था, लाइक दैट.
एग्जैक्टली, वंडरफुल वंडरफुल। करेक्ट, ये एस्पेक्ट तो एक म्यूजिशियन ही बता सकता है। अब आपने ये चीज बहुत अच्छी हाईलाइट की है कि पेरेंट्स को इस चीज में भी थोड़ा सा इंटरेस्ट लेना चाहिए।
Yes.
अगर आपका बच्चा खुद म्यूजिक कंपोज कर रहा है तो व्हाट एल्स डू दे नीड? और
And
म्यूजिक
it's
कंपोज करना इट्स नॉट इजी, इट्स नॉट
exactly.
इजी।
So yeah, it's a gift, and as well as the students जो मेहनत वो करता है उसका रिजल्ट होता है वो. It's not for someone normal to do it. उसके लिए
करेक्ट
extraordinary effort लगता है, like that.
करेक्ट, वेरी ट्रू वेरी ट्रू। और बीइंग अ म्यूजिक इंस्ट्रक्टर और म्यूजिक coach, it may be very sometimes challenging for you. What kind of challenges do you face in this fast moving world?
हाँ, so लास्ट आई मीन स्पेशली लॉकडाउन के बाद से मैंने देखा है
Hmm.
कि लोग थोड़ा ज़्यादा इंक्लाइन हो रहे हैं एक्स्ट्रा एक्टिविटीज़ की तरफ भी. लाइक
Okay.
उसके पहले इट वाज़ क्वाइट डिफरेंट. लाइक पेरेंट्स वाले एक स्टडीज़ से जो आधा घंटा, पौना घंटा बच रहा है उसमें तुम खेल लो या म्यूज़िक सीख लो, जो करना वो उतना ही टाइम डेडिकेटेड है. पढ़ाई का टाइम कॉम्प्रोमाइज़ नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट्स दे वर वेरी
Correct.
स्ट्रिक्ट अबाउट इट. लेकिन
Correct.
अभी दे आर थिंकिंग अबाउट कि अच्छा हमने देखा बच्चे को इंटरेस्ट है तो हमने सोचा एनरोल करते हैं. एंड व्हेन द
Hmm.
किड एनरोल्स आल्सो, कुछ पेरेंट्स मैंने ऐसे देखे, लाइक 10 बच्चे आते तो 2 पेरेंट्स ऐसे मैंने देखे हैं कि वो इन्वॉल्व होते हैं कि हाँ मैम क्या सीख रहा है, कोई प्रोग्रेस दिख रहा है क्या, कुछ आप सजेस्ट करो आगे क्या कर सकता है म्यूजिक में, लाइक दैट. सो
Very
देयर
nice.
आर सम पेरेंट्स लाइक दैट. आई एम रियली हैप्पी टू सी
Hmm.
ऑल ऑफ दैट.
Very nice. So this is a changing scenario of our society. What do you think? Right?
Yes.
Because the parents are, giving space to the children. That is very important. है ना?
Yes.
अब ऐसा तो नहीं है कि बच्चों में इतनी कैलिबर होता है। Me
Hmm.
being a parenting coach, I keep on, telling the parents that your child has got ample of caliber in them. बट हमें एक उन बच्चों को रास्ता दिखाना है।
True.
ऐसा तो नहीं है कि
True.
बच्चा म्यूजिक सीखेगा तो पढ़ाई नहीं करेगा, ऐसा तो
नहीं
है ही
ऐसे,
नहीं।
ऑफ कोर्स. यस.
म्यूजिक में भी बच्चा उतना ही इंटरेस्ट से करेगा जितना इंटरेस्ट पढ़ाई में करेगा। बट द ओनली पॉइंट which I get out of what you are giving the messages, that
Hmm.
happens.
राइट.
जब तक बच्चा जॉयफुल नहीं रहेगा तो पढ़ाई कैसे करेगा?
करेक्ट. उसको वो
10
प्रेशर
घंटे,
फील होगा तो नहीं करेगा वो. दैट्स
बिल्कुल,
व्हाट.
वो 10 घंटे पढ़ाई के किताबों में बैठा रहेगा और आउटपुट कुछ है नहीं, तो व्हाट्स द फन? So it's
यस.
better that you just send your child for 1.5 hours, not more. If it is minimum half an hour, I think
यस.
his nerves gets relaxed.
एब्सोल्युटली. यस.
और nerves relax करना आजकल बड़े important है,
आज के टाइम
right?
में इट्स
Because
वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट.
right,
लाइक बच्चे
because
हो या अडल्ट हो, एवरीबॉडी इज सो टेंस,
very
सो स्ट्रेस्ड.
stressed, and ये stress का जो part है ना, ये music, I think it heals the person.
Yes.
And I've seen many prisons also these days. In the prisons also, people are, you might have heard about the famous personality Kiran Bedi. She was
Yeah, yeah.
IGP prisons.
Yes.
She
Yes.
had kept these things in the prisons so
Wow.
that the people, out prisoners, study. She had kept the study time also for them, and most of
Wow.
them they handwork, so that when they leave the prisons, they are not getting into the same circle.
Yes.
They
They live
can
a better life
earn
after that.
they can earn their livelihood, right?
Right.
And this is
Right.
very important. And music also plays
Yes.
a greater role. And
Yes.
whenever you are in a class, what kind of approach is other children coming with? They want to
So
learn
mostly
music or classical or what?
क्लासिकल सो फार नॉट मच बट बॉलीवुड के फैंस हर जगह है फिर वो इंडिया हो
Right,
या अब्रॉड हो सो
right,
इवन सो इफ द पर्सन इज एन इंडियन वो रहता कहीं भी हो वो बॉलीवुड का फैन होगा टू सम एक्सटेंट
correct,
दे विल लव
right.
बॉलीवुड सॉन्ग्स टू सम एक्सटेंट एटलीस्ट सो दैट इज वन थिंग उनका एक लिस्ट होता है कि बॉलीवुड के ये सॉन्ग्स हैं वेस्टर्न ये सॉन्ग्स हैं इतना सीखना है बाकी तो विल सी सो
Oh,
स्टार्टिंग में वो
marvelous.
एक्साइटमेंट होती है बच्चों में कि अब
Wonderful.
चलो गिटार क्लास स्टार्ट हो गया अभी हम कूल दिखेंगे सॉन्ग्स प्ले करेंगे ऑल ऑफ दैट सो दे कम
Yeah,
विद दैट अप्रोच इन द स्टार्टिंग बट स्लोली दे
oh,
रियलाइज कि उसके लिए मेहनत भी करनी है सो मोस्ट ऑफ देम
right.
डू दैट ऑल्सो
That is something else, right? And one Robert Browning is very, I'm very fond of this poet. He has given a wonderful lines about music, that there is no truer truth obtainable by man than comes of music. कि भाई एक ऐसी ट्रुथ है कि you can go from one level to another.
या
Shift, mind
राइट
shift, mental shift can occur due to music. Right now,
ट्रू
coming
म्यूजिक इज
towards
सो पावरफुल लाइक आई डोंट
yes,
रिमेम्बर द ऑथर दैट ऑथर कोटेड कि अगर किसी कंट्री को जानना है ना कि वो किस तरह का देश है लिसन टू देयर म्यूजिक
you'll come
दैट
to
विल
know.
टेल यू मच अबाउट इट
Correct. Absolutely. Absolute truth about this. Now, coming over to the, theoretical part. Like when children come to you as students, so how do you begin with? Like, suppose the audience who is watching, suppose that they want the child to be in music and the child is a little bit hesitant. What kind of, secret do you use to motivate them?
सीक्रेट एज इन मैं जनरली बच्चों के साथ फ्रेंडली रहती हूँ दे यूजुअली ओपन अप मे बी फर्स्ट डे पर नहीं बट इवेंचुअली व्हाट आई हैव सीन इज ज़्यादातर बच्चे कम से कम 80-90% ऑफ किड्स हु कम टू मी दे विल ओपन अप आफ्टर अ फ्यू क्लासेस मतलब वो अपनी स्टोरीज बताने लग जाते हैं कि मैम वो
Oh,
स्कूल में ऐसे हुआ वो फ्रेंड के साथ ऐसे हुआ ऑल ऑफ दैट सो दे स्टार्ट टेलिंग द स्टोरी सो दैट दे गेट फ्रेंडली सो बच्चों के
okay.
साथ ये है कि उनके साथ जितना फ्रेंडली तुम फील करोगे उनको करवाओगे देन दे लर्न बेटर और वो सब्जेक्ट में उनको
Wonderful.
इंटरेस्ट आने लगता है
Wonderful. And that is the music part. And do you have any kind of age group, or you have got only one age group or younger children in
Not
your
really.
class?
I teach kids and adults also. So guitar के लिए the minimum age should be 7 to 8 years. They start with that age, and maximum की कोई limit नहीं. Even retired people have learned from me, so उसकी कोई age
Oh,
limit नहीं है.
okay, very nice. And they can properly learn it.
Yes, yes.
Okay, that's nice. And some students may be there that it's their play class and you are taking their music class. Do they say like this also?
या समटाइम्स इट हैपेंस लाइक कभी ऐसे
Oh,
हुआ कि एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम डेडिकेटेड है म्यूजिक क्लास के लिए बट किसी एक दिन ऐसे हुआ कि स्कूल से लेट हो गए खेलने नहीं मिला और पेरेंट्स बोले कि क्लास का टाइम तो हो गया है, कर लो तो दे आर लाइक मैम मेरा मूड नहीं था सो आई जस्ट मेक देम रिवाइज सम थिंग्स कुछ पुराने सॉन्ग्स बजा लो जिससे तुमको अच्छा फील हो रहा है सो आई डू थिंग्स लाइक दैट कि तुमको ऐसे प्रेशर नहीं लगना चाहिए क्लास आया तो सीखना ही पड़ेगा ऐसा कुछ नहीं इफ यू वांट टू रिवाइज
correct.
सम प्ले सम गुड म्यूजिक
Yes.
फॉर योरसेल्फ
Correct.
यू
This
कैन
is a very right approach which you're taking. That the child is just like a sponge. Whatever you make him do, he'll do it. Right? He will not
yes
oppose you. But the thing is that his intentions and his mood is also very important for the learning fast, right?
Yes.
Otherwise, the
In
learning goes
fact,
slow.
mhm.
Learning is not there.
Yeah, that's
What do
what.
you think? है ना?
Learning is not. Okay, could you repeat the last one? I didn't get
Means
that.
the learning is not there if they are not in a good mood.
Yeah, yeah, true. Yes.
है ना?
फिर नहीं सीख
मतलब
सकते.
अगर जब
True.
उनका मन ही नहीं है क्लास में तो वो
Yes.
म्यूजिक कैसे सीखेंगे?
Exactly.
है
Yes.
ना? So for that, what is your approach that you keep
Especially,
talking about?
in fact, I have a student who is about 8 9 years old. And when he started the classes, na, ek do classes mein he was like, I'm super excited, I will learn guitar. ये वो. And there was a system generated कि class होता है और teacher ने homework वहीं पे assign करना है तो उसके email पे आ जाता है. So he got the email, he got the homework, he did the homework, came back to the next class, and was like, "Give me next homework. I'm ready for the next class now." He was super excited that time.
Wow.
बट इवेंचुअली एट टाइम्स इट हैज हैपेंड कि उसने कुछ मेरा बात सुन नहीं पाया या कुछ गलत प्ले कर दिया एंड आई एम पॉइंटिंग आउट कि ये नोट गलत है, करेक्ट दिस. सो हिज पेरेंट्स केम इन कि एंड स्टार्टेड स्कोल्डिंग हिम कि यू
Oh,
डोंट पे अटेंशन ये वो. सो ही वाज लाइक
oh,
लिटरली क्राइंग कि आई एम ट्राइंग नाउ, डोंट से लाइक दैट.
oh, yes.
सो
That is
इट वर्क्स
that
बोथ
is
वेज.
very important. That is very
Yes.
important. That if you have, this is the aspect of the parents, This is the aspect of the parents, and the child is not doing anything intentionally. He also needs time
Absolutely.
to learn, na?
Correct.
He's
So
he
in
needs
that case, I kind of interfere between the parents also. कि parents जब डांटते हैं ना, and which is not valid also, कि
no,
गलत
not
reason के लिए they are scolding him.
correct,
तो मैं
correct.
intervene कर देती हूँ कि अच्छा let's play this other song. You are good in that. So
Hmm.
उतने टाइम के लिए distraction हो जाता है. Then we'll come back to the one we are learning currently.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. You are such a wonderful teacher, and I wish I could also have such a teacher. So could I could also have learned some instrument, and it is really a passion of life that each child
Absolutely.
wants to learn one or the other instrument. Right.
Yes.
It's
Yes.
only the, grown ups, the parents, and the people around, those who make a child feel low, feel less,
Right. Right.
and the child stops to learn
Yes.
everything.
Yes.
There only, he puts a brakes on his, what do you
Yeah, he
call
will
it?
stop expressing that way, na, if we try to
Yeah.
pressurize him on anything. Yes.
Correct, correct. Very nice. This is a very beautiful thing you have, addressed it to the parents. That those parents who really pressurize the child, it is of no use. It is of
Absolutely.
no use. Let the
Yes.
child develop on his own. If he's learning music, he will take time. He's not a computer. He's a
Correct.
human. So some child, because all the children are not equal.
Yeah, everybody has their own pace.
Yeah,
So,
at their own pace, and this is what the parents of today, they don't realize this. They think that they are spending so much of money, this much should
yeah.
come to them, right?
Yes.
So
They think about
this
the returns.
criteria
Yes.
this
Correct.
criteria is really hampering the child's growth
Hmm. True.
some or the other way, and it impacts the other fields also. हमने
Yeah, it
बोल
does.
दिया म्यूजिक में बोल दिया, बट schools में भी यही प्रॉब्लम. Schools maybe children parents are saying that we have spent so much on our children and we are not getting the output. How can you get the output in one day, in 1 year?
Absolutely. Yes.
It may require 2 or 3 years together.
Yeah.
Maybe your child will shine after 5 years. Maybe your child will shine after 10 years.
True.
So
True.
parenting is a very patient aspect. It's
True.
not
Yes.
a tutor, or it's not a tuition.
It's an ongoing process, a long
Yes,
process.
this I think you might have observed in your music classes also.
Yeah. Yeah. Absolutely.
So
Yes.
with this, I would just go deep into your learning, like as a music teacher. From which places have you learned?
Oh, so when I was 11 years old, I guess, that time I started learning Indian classical music. That was
Oh,
my first interaction with the music class and music teacher that way.
oh,
And like after 6 7 years of that, I got introduced to a guitar trainer as well. So by the time I was 18, I started learning guitar as well.
okay.
So, and my guitar teacher is the best so far. Like जितने भी trainers मैंने I am a teacher. I've seen trainers of my level from of his level, but he has been the best teacher I have ever seen or learned
Great.
with. I feel really blessed.
Very nice. So, you are from which place?
I'm
You
from
know,
Nasik. My teacher's name is Narendra Puli sir.
wow,
Yeah,
nice,
he
great.
is
You're
a
so
great teacher.
lucky and you're so blessed to have a teacher like him that he has really made your life, right? So
Absolutely
you can just give a full credit to your teacher, and now you yourself are a teacher. So in this way, now you have taken the full responsibility of your students.
Yeah,
That
I want to become that kind of a teacher for my students also. जो आगे जाके बोले कि हाँ वो नेहा मैम से सीखा ना इसलिए यहाँ पर हूँ मैं right.
yes, wonderful, wonderful. What aim of your life. This will really go a long way, and if your intentions are right, everything will go according to that. So what you say now, where your attentions go, there your energy flows.
True,
So,
true, absolutely.
this is very true for Neha. So now, Neha, as what made you to think like now you're getting into coaching,
Yeah.
right? So, what came into your mind that after becoming a music teacher, you want to become a music coach?
So as one of our trainers says that okay, उसके पहले what I have experienced is for the first 10, 12 years of my career कि टीचर्स यूजुअली आर मोस्टली इनटू गिविंग कि मैं नॉलेज दे दूँ अपना जो भी सर्विस है सामने वालों को दे दूँ बट देन दे आर द वंस हु आर एट द लो एंड कि हम सिर्फ दे रहे हैं हमारे पास कुछ नहीं आ रहा है लाइक पीपल डोंट वांट टू पे द फीस स्पेशली फॉर म्यूजिक टीचर्स एटलीस्ट स्कूल्स
Yes.
एंड ट्यूशंस दे आर स्टिल वेरी एक्टिव अबाउट दैट बट म्यूजिक टीचर्स को इतना कोई इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं था but I've recently come across a coach who says that coach is a combination of teacher plus entrepreneur,
Okay.
right? So you have to have a heart of a teacher and the brain of a business person. So that makes a coach. So आप service दो 100%, 200% दो. At the same time, you think about yourself also that you have to earn a living out of that. So it's a mixture of both that I'm thinking about my well-being and I'm thinking about what I can give to the people around.
Yeah. And moreover, you are creating more teachers. You can
Yeah,
say like that. You
yeah.
are also you are distributing a knowledge to the junior to you,
The learners,
and
yes,
yes, and the coming generation. So in
correct.
that case, it's a real give and take process, and in
Yeah,
this way, the society will we start loving music. That is
yeah,
the best part, right?
yes.
And yes, so with that I would like to just come to that point that as a music teacher, as a music coach, what like commitment or what kind of teachings you want to give to your other teachers?
Other teachers.
Yes, means
Okay.
being a music coach, what would
Hmm.
you teach them just in one line? That what should be the basic teachings for a music?
Okay. So an advice for another teacher. We are talking about that. Okay.
Yeah, means the person who's coming to you to learn.
Okay. Um, in one line.
Mm.
Um,
Means like you were saying that
love. Hmm.
I am teaching the children in a
Hmm.
way that they should start loving the music. They're not. They're enjoying it. That is what I
Okay.
think your message was. Because
Yeah, yeah,
previously you
yeah.
told that I want the children to enjoy the music,
Correct.
to get
Correct.
100% into it. I hope
Right.
I'm right.
Yeah, yeah.
And yeah, because this is the thing which I got out of the conversation
Yeah, yeah.
that
That's true. But
your basic motive was to get the
hmm.
maximum out of the children, and children should remain happy and they should remove all their stress from their academics.
Correct.
You know, and can
Yeah.
go with confidence. Right? This is
In one line. So I would say Love music, it will never betray you.
Yes. Again, would you repeat it, please?
Love music, it will never betray you.
Yeah, very true. Very nice. Love music, it will never betray you. Oh, obviously, it is always a friend, companion in your life. Whenever you feel like you can sing a song and be happy.
True, true.
Right. So,
Yes.
with that, I would, yes, it is the end of the question. And with that, I would inform the audience that she is Neha, guitar coach, and those who are interested to join her coaching, you can click in the link below. She will be giving her details, and you can contact her whenever you feel like contacting her. And if you want your children to learn from her, she has got an online system. And
Yeah.
if the grown-ups can, especially the homemakers, the mothers who are
Yeah.
getting bored at home, they can immediately join her, and she's the best person to help you and make your life more pleasant and joyful. In that
Thank
case,
you
you
so
will
much.
forget all your worries, and you will not waste your time also. So, with that, we'll end this episode today. And thank you so much. Thank you, Neha, for
Thank you,
joining us
Anitaji.
and giving your very important and precious time to us. And with that, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It was a wonderful, wonderful experience. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless.